Welcome back, friends. In our last class we have just created this simple calculator, just the structure. So in this class we will just go work on this and we'll just make some dynamic action on this, how it can just plus, how it can minus the number, how it can just divide the number, or how it can multiply the number. So it's very easy. Just after the form tag you can just come here and start just a PHP block, PHP start and PHP close. Inside this we are going to run if is set, ISSET if is set function $_post. If someone just click on this CALC, which is a button, you can just see here this button, the name is CALC, we have just put in here, and you can just come here inside these curly braces. We are going to create a local variable. This called value1 is equal to $_post, and inside these you are going to just select value1 from here. I'm just going to show you that we have just created here value1 and value2. We are just going to get data from these fields by just clicking this button. By just clicking this button you want to just take the data from these fields. So here you can just duplicate this two more time. This one is value2 and this one is also value2. So this one is you can say just OPT that we have just created here. Inside this I'm just going to show you here OPT inside this select tag, because if someone just click on this button and you want to just get the value from these fields, just by selecting plus sign, minus sign, divide and multiply sign. So on that case we have just put the name OPT. Now we are just going to use this here. OPT is equal to just OPT, very simple. And you can just say here if, just open a round bracket. Inside this round bracket you are just going to select this OPT $, OPT. You can just select this one is equal to, for equal sign we are just going to put 2 times equal sign. We have just already discussed about this, and single quotation and plus sign. So we have just put the name of this OPT in case if someone is just selecting going to select any of these operator. It can be plus, it can be minus, it can be division, it can be multiply. So we are just working for the first time and just on plus sign. If someone is just selecting the plus sign, what should happen? I'm just writing here echo first time, echo second time, echo third time. Very simple. Inside this one I'm just writing for example at first I'm just giving a BR here for just a line break, then I'm just using here a center tag start, and after a center tag I'm just opening a B tag here, and I'm just writing here your answer, and is sir is your answer is this one. So here you are just going to tell $value1 plus with $value2. Very simple. You can end with a semicolon, and here you can just close the B tag at first, B tag close, and center tag close. This all. Just save this and come here, refresh. So I'm just giving the value 120, value 2 also 20, select plus sign, click on this button, calculate now. Your answer is 40. So you can just use here inside this b tag, for example, inside this b tag, yes, style tag, CSS style tag is equal to just single quotation, background color BSCKG, background is equal to, you can say, orange, and padding here, double D, padding is equal to 10px. Save this. Now come here and refresh, continue. So you can see your answer is 40. For example, 80, value 2 is just 55. Select the plus sign, click calculate now. Your answer is 135. So the same thing, you can just copy this if statement just from here till here, Control C to copy. One time for minus, for division, for multiply. So you can just come here, this one is for minus, just put the minus sign here, and here also minus sign, and here you can just put the division sign, here also the division, here you can just put the asterisk sign or multiply sign, here also same. Now Control S, and you can just define different just background color for just any of them. For example, this one should be pink, the division multiply one, pink color. Control S, now come here and refresh, continue. For example, 20, and just value 1 is 20, value 2 is just, I am just giving 8, minus, calculate now. Your answer is 12. So it is just working. 400, I'm just writing here 400, 200, you can just divide or just multiply, your answer, calculate. Your answer is, you can see, 8,000, 18,000, you can see 80,000. So the background color is also changed into pink color. So because you have just defined for this division one, you can see the background color is pink. So you can just define for this one, the background color, you can say sky blue, something like this. Save this and refresh. Now value 1 is, you can say, just 80 or 800, you can say divide on 5 people, calculate now. 800, value 2 is just 5, calculate now, divide, calculate now. Your answer is 160. So this just working correctly. You can see it is a simple calculator that we have created here. In next class we will come back and we will just create a simple converter. So watch the video and do practice till next class. Try to create a simple calculator like this. So in next video we will create a converter. Have a nice time and see you.